This is the bathroom.
You want bugs me? Mice. This is how to safely set mouse and rat traps. Here's your old style. Everybody thinks this is the old school, but I'll be honest with you. I've got these two. These are easy. That's it. That's all you got to do to set it. And it's done. You can do it with your foot. But honestly, these old things are still the best, in my opinion. Now, a lot of people are scared to set mouse traps. Why? I'm going to show you how to do it safely. This is the trigger. Okay? That's what sets it off. This bar right here, that's what kills them. And for all you PETA people, that's more humane than anything else. Instant death. Okay? So the way this works is like this. So when you hit that trigger, that comes off and it pops. Okay? The safest way to set this is to pull this bar to the back. Never put your fingers on this side once you do this. Then take the bar, you put it in there, whether you want it to set off pretty easy or to set off, take more pressure, just depends. And even if I messed up, it's not going to go off because my fingers are here. So get it set, and then you're ready to go. Okay? Same thing with the big dogs. Now, these will hurt your fingers. I've had them pop on me before, but it didn't break my fingers. But it hurts. It hurts like a son of a gun. Okay? But it's exactly the same concept. Pull this back and keep your fingers on this side. Keep them on this side. You've got the catch there. See, I've got my hands over the bar. That way, if I mess up doing this, it's not going to do anything. So you get it set, and you're ready to go. Now, this is how you end it. Hold it on this side. Even if it goes off now, nothing's going to happen. Okay? If it goes off now and my hands are on this side, I'm good to go. So you want to know what bugs me? Mice! But I love to kill them.
Activating the chamber!
You're killing me, Smalls!
How's everybody doing tonight?
Yes, for certain. There is no stopping them. The ants will soon be here. And I, for one, welcome all you insect overlords. I'd like to remind them that as a trusted TV personality, it can be helpful in rounding up others to toil in their underground sugar cave.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.